Strands of DNA in a human cell are about 1.5 to 8.5 centimeters long. This here is a tiny part of DNA. All 46 strands of DNA, so all 46 lengths of all of this, is between 2 to 3 meters long. How can all of that fit into a nucleus in a cell that is only 10 micrometers across? That means this strands are 1,000,000 times bigger than a cell. How does it happen? Because DNA is only 2 nanometers wide. The cell is literally 5,000 times wider than the DNA. So even though the DNA is longer than the cell, if it is packaged right, it will all fit. So this DNA is then wound around proteins to take that long length and wind it up and make it shorter. You'll see these little flags hanging off. These are little like tags and markers saying what DNA is where. And it keeps getting wound again and again and tighter so that 1,000,000 times length can fit into that tight space. If you look, these get even wound even tighter. All of this winding and winding makes strands that are visible because now they're wide enough, they're no longer 2 nanometers in width. This strand, all wound together and then is visible, is called a chromosome. We can start then seeing it inside of a cell. Our cell has 46 of these chromosome strands in almost every one of our cells. If we put these end together, unwind them into those tiny little strings, it will go to the sun and back 66 times, or across the universe, solar system twice. So that's a lot of information, all curled and curled and curled up into a cell.